All right, guys. I don't use this product as much because I barely get woodwork. So today I'm using a 40cc battery chainsaw from EHO. EHO, come on. I need some your product if I can make some reviews. So far, I love your products. Can't complain about it. It does the job. And the battery is awesome on the EHO. So I had this in the trailer. It's dirty. I used it a couple of times. It does the work. Just want to show you guys that, you know, I do recommend this product. You know, for small jobs, not for large jobs. You could use it for large jobs, but I use it, you know, for simple things that you don't need a gas chainsaw on this. So guys, enjoy. Easy. Cut another one for y'all. I'll get this up. Eesh. That thing is heavy. I am on a job site, by the way. Doing a little job real quick, but another one. And it cuts like butter. So like I said, I do recommend this product, the EHO. They have the small ones. I think this is the medium one, the 16. They have a bigger one, but this does the job for me. So guys, enjoy this product. Let me know if you buy one, and let me know what you feel about it. But sometimes you don't need gas for everything.